This is a how-to guide on how to activate your electronic system lock on your Miele Honeycomb Care washing machine. The specific model is the W487 WPS, but it is available on a lot of models on Miele's range of washing machines. Right, to activate it, you have to ensure this door is closed. You also have to make sure that the dial is in the finish position. Next, you want to hold the pre-wash button and the on-off button. Turn it to cotton 60, back to finish, then to delicate cold, release the pre-wash, and the locked icon down here starts to flash. Back to finish. Now, no matter what you do with the dial, nothing is getting activated, look. This light will stay on unless the machine's actually turned off physically. That is all you can do with this machine. You can only turn it on and off. The door does not operate either. So what's the idea of this lock then? Well, it's to simply lock it out so people who don't want to use the washing machine can't use the washing machine. If you want to unlock it, you simply reverse the steps. So, make sure the door is closed, make sure the machine's off. Press the pre-wash button and the on-off button. Turn it to cotton 60, back to finish, then to cotton's cold, and release the pre-wash button, back to finish. And you should be able to select everything again now. There we are. Everything's selected. Everything works. The door can now be opened. You are now able to carry out a wash cycle. So, I hope this video has helped to understand the benefits of the system electronic lock, as well as on how to activate it and deactivate it for your own use. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.